Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jamoy. In today's video, I'm only gonna do my eyes. It's gonna be like a really short video. I'm just gonna do my eyes. I have this idea in my head of like a green and white like thing, and that's been stuck in my head since last night. So I'm gonna try that look and see the liner that I'm gonna do. I never tried it before and I'm kind of scared. But I'm gonna give it a shot because I'm not a coward. But I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of scared because I never tried it before. So yeah, wish me good luck. I'm not gonna waste y'all time. Let's get into the video, okay? Y'all, I don't like how this is coming out so far, and it already is like, oh, this is not helping. This does not help at all. The idea that I had is not coming together. So I'm gonna still try to work with this, but I am getting frustrated really bad. Okay guys, and that's it. I really struggled with the eyeliner because I used the NYX, and I don't think I even put it in the video, but I used like the NYX to kind of like brighten it up a little bit. But because the ColourPop one was too dull and the next one is just cracking up already, and it's so annoying. But the look that I wanted was something like this. But I'm happy with it, but at the same time, like, not really, because it's just cracking up. The white is just cracking up already, and it's so annoying. But I really like how this look turned out. So I don't know, y'all. I like how everything turned out, because it's what I had in mind. It's what I had in mind without the crack. Without the crackness. I don't know if you guys can see it, but like, it's cracking it. Like, it's annoying. It's so annoying. But anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe. Please leave your honest comments down below, and also like, give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.